Okay, so good evening, all present here on Zoom as well as live on Insta. I'll start with a short introduction about myself. I'm Archika Jain. I'm a psychologist, a guidance counselor, a mental health therapist. I'm an NLP practitioner, mindfulness meditation practitioner, and I'm internationally certified life coach and success coach. So today we have Pragya ma'am with us, Pragya Vij. She is a psychologist as well. She is a professional relationship counselor. She has guided over 10,000 individuals till date, and she has conducted various seminars on emotional management, time management, personality development, uh, handling relationships, curing relationships, and she is indulged with various multiple setups as well for guidance and counseling, and she has her own center as well. So, welcome, Miss Pragya Vij. So,
Thank you, Archana ma'am. Such a heartwarming welcome, I tell you.
that's our pleasure actually to have you on this platform. So
Thank you, ma'am.
she'll be talking about relationships today. She'll be talking about its management. So everyone, like, be ready to listen carefully about her every word because we all have relationships with one another. We have, and yes, we have our partners, we have our spouses, and apart from that, also we have a lots of relationship. So it's very important to be careful in relationship. So she'll be telling us a lot of things about relationships, how to maintain healthy relationships. So please be stay tuned, and you can ask your questions in the end. Fine, we'll have question and answer session round. So Pragya ma'am, can we start?
Yeah, definitely. Can you hear me, dear,
Yes,
clearly?
yes, we can hear
All
you.
right, thank you. So, a very warm welcome to all my dear participants and my dear audience present with me today. Already, Archana ma'am has given a very heartwarming welcome about me. But let me just tell you, I'm a simple human like you people. I also have a lot of relationships and a lot of stories, I'm able to hear through my clients regarding relationships and what are the issues that they're facing. So I'm just going to have a very healthy interaction with all of you regarding the major issues that we really are going through in the lockdown and how can we actually overcome that. Okay. Ma'am, is my voice repeating? The audience is stating. Is that fine now? If you can state a yes, thank you so much. Yes. So, to begin with it, in my opinion, relationships is the most, evident thing which is available in our lives nowadays. And if I go by my definition of relationship, it's just a connection which is there between two people. So, if I am sharing some connection with ma'am right now, so that's also a relationship. If I have a connection with my parents, that's a relationship for me. And if I'm having some sort of relationship or connection with my partner, that's again a relationship. So basically the definition of relationship varies from person to person, that how do you actually perceive it. But definitely during the lockdown, because the lives had turned into a very in a very different way, and it was something that we never ever expected, that we'll be at home 24/7 and we'll be just looking at a person all the time. So there are a lot of issues also which have occurred with the positives. There were a lot of positives that people always to say to their partner or to their family members that you don't have time for me, and no, you are not being with me all the time. So during the lockdown, definitely people's those I can say complaints got reduced, but definitely there are a lot of issues also which have occurred. I would like to throw some light upon that so that we can talk about how to manage them.
Oh, shall I interrupt 1 second, Pragya ma'am?
Definitely.
Actually, your voice is repeating. People are saying, so
Oh,
can you all please join Zoom if it is repeating on Insta?
I would prefer, yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
should choose one platform, I suppose.
no problem. This has happened this time. Actually, this is doubling. So no problem. Please, people on Insta, you can join Zoom as well. It is given on the ID. It is, yeah. Please, you can join Zoom. The ID and
Definitely. We can
password are
also post it
mentioned.
over here. We can
Yes,
post the link over here also, so that the
yes,
people
yes.
can.
Tanya, please post it over here on Insta, the Zoom ID and the password, so that they can join. Yes. Next time we'll do on Insta, Archit Gupta. Can you please this time join Zoom because it's actually doubling?
I was saying that relationships, the definition differs from person to person. Okay, like for me, if I have some form of connection with my parents, so that's a relationship for me. If I share some form of connection with my partner, that's again a relationship for me. And even if I, share some form of connection with Archaka ma'am right now, that's again a very professional relationship. So relationships doesn't only mean the relationship between a husband and a wife or the relationship between a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Relationships basically mean the connection that two people or more than two are feeling when they're talking to each other or when they're there together. So during the lockdown, definitely a lot of the relationships we have noticed in a very detailed manner, because everybody is working from home, they're at house all the time, so they have a different form of management with their parents, they have a different form of management between their self time and the family time. So definitely people have struggled hard to overcome the issues which are coming in their various relationships. But definitely I still feel that when people come to me for counseling, for telephonic counselings or in person when they're meeting me in Delhi, so they tell me that, ma'am, though we are trying hard, but still we feel that we fail at managing our relationships. Because how far I am trying or how hard am I trying, I still feel that my partner is not able to understand my needs, or I feel that my family members are not able to understand my needs. So today I'm going to throw some light upon various points which would cover the basic issues which are coming in a relationship. Okay, so to begin initially with, the first one that I personally felt was invasion of private space. When I used to be at my workplace, or when you people used to be at your workplace before the lockdown, we used to have 6 to 7 hours of direct functioning. Nobody was from the family, no pet, no children, no partners, they were interfering in our work. But the moment from when we are sitting at home, there that personal space thing has really decreased, because we are more into multitasking. We are listening to the boss and we are cooking something, we are listening to our fellow people, our colleagues, and we are doing some project work side by side. So basically the personal space has really decreased, because of which actually people have got really frustrated in their lives. And we need to remember one thing: the moment our mind begins to get hampered, all the other areas of our functional life definitely will be affected. So that frustration, that irritation which is coming in us because of the personal space getting hindered, it leads to a lot of issues with our mind. The mind is not relaxed, and when the mind is not relaxed, definitely all the other areas of your life will be impacted. And the foremost one is the family and the relationships.
Yes.
Next issue that I have really experienced and observed in people was financial insecurity. Because as per the recent survey, they have shown that in every 9 on 100 people in India right now is unemployed. So you feel like that the colony in which you're living, at least 90 to 100 people in that one single colony is unemployed. So
Mm.
now the person who has been working from past 10 to 15 years of their life, or maybe 2 years also, suddenly when they're forced to sit at home, they're having zero income. The amount of, I should say, decreased self confidence, the amount of internal shame that they are feeling, we cannot even think about it, people, because they are really going through a lot of things which they never wanted to. They
Exactly.
didn't want to lose their job, but they were asked to leave it. They were forced to leave it. So that force creates a lot of negative energy in them and around them, which definitely leads to a lot of issues in your relationship, right?
Exactly.
Moving ahead, let's talk about the boredom part, because our human mind likes changes. If I am really crazy about getting something today, once I'm able to own that, definitely within 3 months we get bored from that. Be it the prices thing, being an Audi car or being an iPhone, being a Mac Airbook, anything and everything, being a solitaire ring, anything you think about, being having a bungalow also.
Mm.
You know, for 2, 3, or 4 months maximum, you will have that craze for it, but over the time, it's gonna reduce. So
Mm.
the human mind functions like that. It gets bored of things once we attain that. So, because you are available and you're at home with your partner all the time or with your family members, definitely that spark of being with them, that excitement of being with them has reduced over time, leading to boredom. Now you feel like, okay, please give me some space. Okay, it's been a long time that I'm just looking at your face. We're not able to say it, but we definitely feel it. That is the reason now people are becoming more and more, I should say, less precautionary of corona. They've started going to markets, they're going to malls, they're
Mm.
going to parks, because
Exactly.
they feel that I need a change.
Hmm.
I just can't see that specific person's face anymore, or just the four walls of my room. I need to move out. So
Exactly.
boredom has also really increased very much in our relationships, because of which the negative consequences are available and they're very much visible in front of us. The same partner whom you used to crave to be with over the weekends is now the one you feel like, please, for 2, 3 days, you go somewhere. You really feel like that if you're not able to say that, because I do that.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
we really, really feel that, okay,
Mm.
I need some space, I need some change. That's because we are really very much bored, and our excitement levels of the relationship are decreasing day by day. And unfortunately, we are not doing something about it.
Exactly.
So when I'll come to the management part, I will tell you some ways through which you can bring that spark again in your relationship.
Yes.
Moving ahead, the biggest problem that I should say that females have undergone is the unequal division of household work.
Mm.
Now, this is one area which has actually hampered the lives of females, because some self time that they used to get wasn't there for at least initial 6 months when the maids were not coming. They were entirely either at the workplace or in the kitchen. There was no third place where the females went for good 6 to 7 months,
Exactly.
leading to a lot of negative vibes in the female, leading to a lot of negative emotions, because they used to feel, and there was a time when the female started feeling that, am I a maid?
Yes.
I'm just cooking and making you eat. I'm just cooking and feeding you something. Then I'm doing my workplace work also, and then back I'm into the kitchen. So, and the males, they were definitely struggling from their own end. They had work from home things. But the problem was that the females were engaged into two places at once,
Hmm.
which we call as multitasking. But that multitasking really created a lot of pressure on the female's head.
Yes. Yes.
And we know that women are the maker of the home. So just think, if the women goes negative in life, if the women gets bored, if the women gets very much frustrated or anxious, then how will be the environment of the home,
Yes. Perfect.
right? So
Yes.
it's all about the way the things have changed, leading to the issues. So this was really hyped one for the females. And definitely, if I talk about the relationship part, the biggest issue which has created now is reduced productive communication.
Hmm.
Earlier, even if you were talking twice on call, you know that you are at your workplace, you know that your partner is at workplace. Even if you were talking for twice in a day, you used to be quite satisfied that chalo koi baat nahi. Even if he's busy, he at least had a word with me, or she had a word with me. But now during lockdown, we believe that, what are you doing? Or even if the second person is busy, when they get free, then then at that time we are busy.
Hmm.
So it is a tiff which is occurring. You're not able to derive a productive quality time with your partner.
Hmm.
Because of which definitely there are a lot of things which you want to share with him, which you want to tell him, you're not able to tell him, leading to miscommunication.
Yes.
So it's not like intentionally we people have grown like this. Nobody wanted to have these issues with their partners or in their relationship with their family members, but they have occurred because I think one, the situations forced us to be like that a bit, and two, lack of management was there. Arshika ma'am, would you really, agree with me over these
Yes,
points?
yes, yes, definitely I agree, and our participants are also agreeing. And one of the participant has questioned that what will be the parameter or nature of work to distribute among partner. Like you have mentioned that there are a lot of work which is like women are burdened with lot of work, like like house course work and also their workplace. They have to do all the things and they have to multitask.
Definitely.
So
Definitely.
so one major question: what is the work or the nature of work which should be distributed among other partner or other members of the family?
Definitely. I really like this question, and I would like to answer it in a way that, ma'am, it specifically depends upon the perception of you and your partner. I'm not the right one to tell that you should clean the house and he should cook, or you should cook and he should go to the market. That completely depends upon the bond that you share with your partner. But I just say one thing, that whichever things you feel is quite difficult for you to do alone, please don't shame out for asking from him or
Yes,
from her.
definitely.
Please, if you feel like that, I can do, cleaning of the house, but when it comes to cooking, I cannot do that alone. So please ask for that help.
Yes, exactly.
If you feel that I can go to the market, but I get tired when I'm doing the weeping part of the house, then you tell him to do that part.
Exactly.
So it depends upon you and your partner. How do you take the things to be quite healthy? But one thing, wherever you feel I need help, please speak it out.
Yes, yes.
Please ask for it because that's your right.
Definitely.
Right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, any more questions? I would love to answer them over the end so the audience can, put that in the chat box. I would first like to talk about the management part so
Yes,
that I'm very sure that with the management part, a lot of queries of the people over here will be solved.
yes,
Okay, so these were the basic issues that I have, noticed and observed, which I talked about with you. There might be a lot more also in your life. There might be some in my life also, but the major ones I have discussed. Now I want to come to the management part. That okay, now this is the practical situation. We are at home, though the world is opening now, but still, the tiff which has occurred between the couples, the issues which have come up between the couples. Now, how can we basically manage them? So, let's come to the management part. The first thing which I believe is that both of you should have fun.
yes.
I know you have a busy routine, your partner, your family members have a busy routine, but you should strive for a common time. A
Mm,
common time means wherein you're not into gadgets, you're not watching television, you're not into your lappies, you're sitting together, facing each other face to face, and then have any form of game or fun activity which you think would involve all of you.
mm,
That can be a board game like chess or carom, that can be tambola, that can be some other fun game that you have thought of, like rapid fires we have. That can be some mimicry fun activity wherein you are just mimicking about the family members, or you are just reliving the good moments that you people have had. So these are some activities that you can take upon daily basis. Don't do all of them together, one thing at a time. But the major point that you and your partner should understand is that you are striving to have a quality time with him.
mm.
The basic idea that we have to just put in the mind of the other person is that I am ready to put step and take a step forward for our betterment of the relationship, and similarly I expect from the other person.
Yes, definitely.
So don't wait for him to take the turn or for her to take the turn. You can be the first one also to take the step, right? We can
Yes,
actually take that.
yes.
Moving ahead, the next one I would say is that you people have actually observed your relationships in very much detail over the
Good morning,
past
ma'am.
1 year. So now please try to understand the flaws of your relationship. If
Yes.
you've been observing and noticing them, you must have noticed that which are the areas wherein my relationship is getting hampered.
Hmm. Very
ऐसी कौन सी बात है जब हम दोनों उस बारे में टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं तो हमारी फाइट हो जाती है?
important.
ऐसी कौन सी लाइफ की सिचुएशन है जिसके बारे में मैं अगर सोचती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत सी नेगेटिव वाइब्स आने लग जाती हैं, मुझे बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स आने लग जाते हैं. So, it's all about the understanding that you have with your partner, and you have to basically strive out that which all are the areas, which are those areas wherein I feel that, I am facing problem with my partner, और which all are the areas जहां पर मुझे लगता है कि मेरा मेरे पार्टनर के साथ इस वजह से अच्छा रिलेशनशिप नहीं बन पा रहा है.
Yes, this
So,
is a
we have to understand the flaws, I feel, ma'am.
yes, yes, yes. This is actually a very important part, a very important part in relationship. We need to talk with our partner. We need to, because in lockdown also we have been disagreements just because of these. We have different points of
Exactly.
opinion. Yes, we have different points of view, and we have a lot of disagreements actually. And yes, so this is a major question, Miss Pragya, that how do we actually address these disagreements with our partners or other family members, because in lockdown not only the wives and husbands has suffered from these issues. Actually the adolescents are the people and the children are the people who have actually faced a lot of issues. So how
True.
can we address those disagreements?
That's a very good question, ma'am. I would personally feel that. And the simplest tip which I feel I can give regarding the management of disagreement is point number one: consider the other person respectful enough. The moment you have that thing in your mind that I have to respect this person, you will not raise your tone, you will not be arrogant and rude with them,
Hmm.
you're not going to speak loud.
Yes.
So, first of all, maintain your tone while you're talking to them. Even if you feel that there is something which they are saying and I'm not liking it, you will
Excuse me, ma'am.
tell them that, listen, I am not liking this.
Yes, Peter, you can ask your questions in the end. Can we do that?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm really happy to see adolescents also there with us.
I'm adolescent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so basically, the first thing is that respect the other person, be it your parents, be it your friends, or be it your partner. You have to respect them as a human who's there with us. So, the
Yes,
moment you'll give that respect, your tone will be minimized and you will have a respectful tone with them.
exactly.
Second point, if you feel that in the heat of the moment, what you're trying to explain is really getting out of the situation, it's turning a different way, and rather than a discussion, is turning into an argument, you should take a step back.
Hmm.
Please don't take it always upon your ego कि अगर मैं
Yes,
पीछे हट गया तो मेरी ego hit हो जाएगी.
yes,
Value
definitely.
your relationships more than your ego, please. So the moment you take a step back, you are definitely gonna feel that yes, the heat of the moment is getting reduced. The argument which was begin to happen is getting reduced.
Hmm.
And when both of you have some physical space, move out of the place.
Yes.
After telling them that I don't want to discuss about this right now, move out of the place.
Hmm.
Take some time, get some mental clarity that what has actually happened. Let the partner also think that what has actually happened,
Hmm.
and then after some time you people can go out for a walk or probably out for a drive, and then you can discuss things.
Yes, exactly. Yes, very nice idea. Actually, this is heat of the moment. This is all the disagreements are due to heat of the moment, and we need to make a physical space that time, and that becomes very important if we
Truly.
want. Yes, if we want to put our point, it's very important that we ourselves are calm at that point, relaxed and calm, mentally and physically both. And
Truly,
that is
truly.
very important. Then only we'll be able to put our things or put our viewpoints to the other person, and we'll be able to make the other person understand what we want from that person, or what
From
are
the
feeling.
conversation.
Yeah, so this is very important. If you feel that yes, there it's going into argument, it's going like the other person is disagreeing, or it's like blame game shuru ho jata hai. So it's very
Exactly.
important ki we should make a space for some time. Like ma'am said, it will help us to give time so that we can think about what we have said or what we are going to say, or the other person will also like think ki what is all this happening, are we into
Exactly.
argument or are we planning to go into argument. So this we start questioning ourselves, so this helps us to reduce that argument, to reduce those disagreements. Thank you so much
Definitely.
for this is very important.
All right, the pleasure is all mine. And one more tip that I really, tell to all my clients is that emotional intimacy. Please don't forget that even if you're meeting your partner, even if you're meeting your family members 24/7 nowadays, they still need that emotional touch from your side. Just the mere physical presence is not enough. You need to show them in your words that, yes, I do care for you. You need to show them in your actions that, yes, I do love you. If your mother is the one right now who's holding the responsibility of the entire family, if your family members are the ones who are going in corona times out and earning for the family, they're the bread earners, right? So we have to show that emotional connect through our words by thanking them, by
Mhm.
showing them gratitude, or by doing small actions which would really make a difference in their life. But
Exactly.
if we feel for granted that, yes, I'm there with them all the time, what more do they need? I'm
Hmm.
sorry, it's not going to work then definitely your relationships are going to get hampered.
Yes, yes, definitely.
So it's more of the emotional connect that I need to share.
Yes, yes, very important. This is very important. It can be like by words, or it can be by we can hold hands, we can sit together, we can
Exactly. Small
yeah,
gestures.
we can even watch movies together. Like there used to be time when we have collected a lot of carom boards, ludos, all the board games, and we used to watch Ramayan. We remember
Right,
we used
right,
to
right.
watch
Exactly. And
uh,
ma'am, I've had people who tell me that, ma'am, we are bored of the board games now. We are
yes,
bored of the Ramayana now. What to do? So I tell them, you watch a new series. The
yes,
Netflix and YouTube is completely filled with it, right? You
yes,
can do house camping. You can watch series over the weekend. You just pop it up and sit with your partner. You can also go for walks with them, small drives with them,
yes.
holding their hand, hugging them when you're coming back. These small non-verbal gestures are really enough to show that how much they mean to you.
It's exactly. And for mothers, if I say, they have done a lot of things in this period, in this lockdown, they have actually
Truly.
experienced a lot of burden. Even if we just praise or appreciate about what she has made now, it will make her day. Just a
Definitely.
small appreciation, like like mama, this is very like this dish is very good. Like I like this dish. Even if you like, if yes, there can be some things, some shortcomings, but if we just appreciate, yeah, this is very good, I like this dish, so this
Exactly.
actually makes her day. So these are
Truly, truly.
small gestures, small appreciations, which actually boost the confidence of
Ma'am,
the
yes. Ma'am, like if when we do any some good of mathematics, so they also praise us, and we
yes,
our whole day is good that our mother praised us.
yes, so we
Truly,
can also
yes,
say,
Rohan.
yes, exactly.
So, Archika ma'am, with this, I would like to move towards the question answer round because I can feel that a lot of people are having questions. So,
Yes.
whatever they want to ask, we can go up with that.
Yes, yes. We'll go to the questions because people might have their personalized questions. So you are free to ask questions. Uh, you can put your questions in the chat box, or if you want to unmute yourself, you can unmute and ask.
Ma'am, as ma'am Priya ma'am told that ma'am, if anybody if there is any argument, if there is an argument in both people, so we should take care of that our tone. So, ma'am,
Exactly.
I want to ask that if anybody, other second person is having a bad tone, so what we should do about that?
Yes.
Okay, so Rohan, if you feel that you are being calm enough, but the tone of the second person is raising with you when they're speaking, you just be quiet, okay, and stay neutral. Don't get very aggressive and don't even smile. जस्ट बी वेरी न्यूट्रल एंड इन अ वेरी पोलाइट वे आप उन्हें बोलो, आप प्लीज मेरे से आराम से बात करो। अगर वो फिर भी चिल्लाते हैं तो आप दोबारा बोलो, हु सेवर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पापा, सो यू कैन से, पापा मुझे भी आपसे बात करनी है, बट हम क्या प्लीज आराम से बात कर सकते हैं? और if your mom is shouting on you, you can tell her, mama, I really want to discuss a lot of things with you, but मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल पाऊंगा. So
Hmm.
just show them that I am really interested in talking to you and connecting with you, but your tone is hindering me.
Yes.
और अगर आपको लगता है वो फिर भी बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में है बच्चे, और आपके बार बार बोलने के बाद भी वो उनकी टोन कम नहीं हो रही है, तो आप 2 मिनट्स के लिए बिल्कुल चुप हो जाओ.
Hmm.
कभी कभी जब हमें कुछ
Yes, ma'am. Start ignoring them.
I won't say ignoring, but I would say
Ma'am,
that
because
let them vent
sometimes
out.
in fifth class, my teacher told one child was just he was making me annoy and he was disturbing me while the studies when class was going on. And when I told to teacher, she told that you just
Ignore
ignore
it.
him. And after that, if he would be seeing that no one is being focusing on him, so they would be stopped.
Huh, see, that can be definitely done with your friends. But if you talk about your family members, I feel there is a different connect that you feel with family, and it is there. So at times उनको बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आया हुआ होता है, जिसकी वजह से उन्हें बहुत कुछ बोलना होता है. तो आप 2 मिनट्स चुप हो जाओ, वो जो बोल रहे हैं उन्हें बोलने दो, और उसके बाद बोलो, फिर चुपचाप आप वहां से चले जाओ. उनकी बात खत्म होने के बाद वहां से चले जाओ. आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन यू विल कम बैक, यू विल रियलाइज दैट दे आर सेटल्ड नाउ, और फिर आप जो बोलोगे वो उनको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आएगा.
Exactly. Yes. Thank you for asking such questions, Rohan. Yes. So we have one more question. What to do when you don't want to be in a relationship with some partner, but at the same time you feel left out also?
You feel left out. All right. Now, this is a question which has a lot of running thoughts behind it. You know, if you're feeling, if you're come up to the level that you feel that I am not into this relationship anymore, that means that definitely there are a lot of reasons, there are a lot of thoughts which have forced you to come to this state. So I won't prefer giving a judgment over it right away. I would personally feel that whosoever is this person, Archaka ma'am, you can write down my contact number in the chat box. This person can contact me later on personally, and I think I'll be able to help you in a better manner.
Yes, yes.
Because I think a lot of mind clarity is required, ma'am, before I answer your question.
Yes, exactly. This is very important because
I can't, simply tell you to, move out of the relationship or stay. I need to first assess that what is
When
the root
politely,
cause.
we should first discuss that what is the reason
yes, 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 Rohan.
That's also right.
Yes. So yes, exactly, Pragya ma'am, whatever you have said, because we need to analyze what the problem is going on, uh, the person don't want to be in the relationship, but at the same time feels left out. So it may what are the reasons for feeling the left out wala? What are the various
Yeah,
reasons?
if you talk about the left out feeling, that means one, they have been a personality who always have been amongst people. So when you're a person that you are always surrounded by others, so when you are not having people around you, it makes you feel very lonely. Two, it's all about the personality. There are people who are very much extrovert in nature. उन्हें लोगों से बात करना अच्छा लगता है. तो अब अगर ऐसे में आपके आसपास लोग नहीं होंगे, तो आपको वो स्टेट प्रॉब्लम करेगी ही करेगी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
राइट. मोर ओवर, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपकी इमोशनल डिपेंडेंसी उस इंसान पे इस टाइम बहुत ज्यादा हो.
Hmm.
इसीलिए आपकी वो इमोशनल डिपेंडेंसी कभी आपके अगेंस्ट चली जाती है, जब आपका मन करता है कि मैं इन्हें छोड़ के रिलेशनशिप में से चली जाऊं. और कभी कभी जब आपको फील होता हो शायद कि मैं इन पे बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल डिपेंडेंट हूँ, तो आप
Hmm.
अपने रिलेशनशिप को खत्म नहीं कर पाते हैं.
Exactly.
और ऐसे ही और बहुत से फैक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड दैट आई वोंट बी एबल टू गिव अ जजमेंट राइट अवे ओवर इट, बट
Yes.
डेफिनेटली यू कैन टॉक टू मी.
Yes, we can share number. You can contact us. We can share
Very simple, Archika ma'am. You have the link to the Instagram page, not the Blissful Soul. You just simply share the Instagram page link. They can contact me over there.
Yes, and if you have any more questions, you can write in chat box.
My sister was just sitting behind near me, and when I told you about that, we should talk and we should discuss by sitting and politely that what is the reason we are fighting about. She was just "तू मेरे साथ लड़ता है तो तू नहीं डिस्कस करता."
Okay. And I know you would find solutions, Rohan. I know that. You have attended the session now, and now you will be able to find the solutions,
Have a
right?
fun time with her. Don't forget.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am having a solution. Ma'am, I am having my both the hands in that his face.
Oh,
All right, all right. This is such a lovely boy, I tell you.
yes, yes. Fine. So,
Ma'am, my sister is Janvi, which you taught math. She is
okay.
just sitting behind me.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'll talk to you, Rohan. Fine. So, we have more questions from you, Pragya ji. Actually, uh, we have seen that in this time, if I talk about in this Corona time, people have been people have stuck at their own places. So, it was a problem for those who were in long distance relationships.
Yeah.
So, how to because I have also personally got some cases where because of long distance relationship and because they could not meet in this time, they were having a lot of relationship issues. So how
Hmm.
can we reduce those issues in long term relationship in
Yeah.
general as well as in this time, in this pandemic time?
Hmm. See, there are two, three things which you really need to cater to if you're into a long distance relationship. Okay. Point number one, more than words, you have to focus upon the non-verbal gestures. Because at times when you're not meeting each other, that physical connect is missing. That emotional connect which you feel by holding each other's hand or by meeting each other, that emotional connect is missing. तो ऐसे में आपकी जब भी उनसे वीडियो कॉल हो रही है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड प्रेफर ऐसे में जितना ज्यादा हो सके वीडियो कॉल करिए.
Mhm.
Because the more you watch the face of the other person, you are able to at least get some form of satisfaction.
Yes.
So rather than audio call, prefer video calls.
Yes.
Point number two, respect each other's differences.
Hmm.
There are a lot of places wherein there is a different time zone. अगर आपके पार्टनर इंडिया से बाहर हैं, तो जब वहां पे मॉर्निंग होती है, यहाँ पे इट्स लेट इवनिंग. जब यहाँ पर इवनिंग का टाइम है, वहां पे नाइट हो जाती है. So definitely there might be situations when the other person also wants to talk to you, but because of the difference in the time zone, they're not able to talk to you.
Yes. Yes.
So over there, you have to just struggle in a positive way and derive a common quality time to talk.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा हमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा कहीं वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज करेंगे, and come to a time wherein you feel that yes, both of us can talk to each other now.
Yes. Yes.
And when you're having a word with them, third and the most important thing, go for the non-verbal gestures. More than words, actions speak. We say na actions are louder than words. That's actually a true saying.
Hmm. Yes.
So when you're talking to them, just feel their non-verbal gestures. See how the feelings are coming on their face. Are they excited while talking to you? Are they having that spark in the smile when they're talking to you? So these little things, when you're noticing their expressions, really helps to connect you compared to an audio call.
मैम ये छोटी छोटी बातें किसी को भी अच्छी लग जाती है, बाहर जाती है.
That's the point, Rohan.
Yes, exactly. So, yes, we have a lot of issues, and these actually would help us a lot in maintaining our long distance relationship. And one more question, Pragya ji.
Yes,
Actually,
ma'am. That I'll go for it. Like the last question, whichever you choose.
yes. So, like Rohan has also mentioned, and we have a lot of issues with our siblings, with our family members, especially adolescents. They have been they people are parents, their siblings, they have been observing children because earlier they used to go to school, they used to meet their friends. They
Hmm.
were actually वो खुद थे, वो अपने आप को एंजॉय करते थे, वो करते थे, चीजें
Right.
करते थे जो वो करना चाहते थे. बट नाउ पीपल आर ऑब्जर्विंग देम एंड यस, देयर इज जनरेशन गैप बिटवीन आवर पेरेंट्स एंड द adolescents. So
Right.
how can we cater to those generation gaps, and how can we help adolescents so that their parents can understand them and they understand their parents? Because I have personally seen that the relationship between parents and children have been deteriorated in this time.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
how
Truly,
can
truly
we,
it has.
what can we do that in that case?
Okay, so basically you want me to cater to the question of how to improve the relationship between a
Parents
parent and
and
adolescent.
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So if I talk about an adolescent, see, adolescence is a stage, people and my dear students, that in this stage you feel that I am the most correct person. Even I used to feel that when I was in class 9th, मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि मैं जो कह रही हूँ वो बिल्कुल ठीक है, और जैसा मैं फील कर रही हूँ वैसा कोई और फील नहीं कर सकता. ओके,
Yes.
ये चीज
Exactly.
हम सब फील करते हैं, एंड दिस इज वेरी मच नेचुरल. अगर आपने
लाइक जो मेरे साथ बीत रहा हो कोई नहीं.
राइट, तो अगर आपने साइकोलॉजी पढ़ी है, साइकोलॉजी आल्सो सेज दैट देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट नोन एज पर्सनल फेबल, व्हिच मींस कि हमें अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी लगने लग जाती हैं, और हमें लगता है कि मैं जो फील कर रहा हूँ, मैं जो फेस कर रहा हूँ, वो किसी और ने फील नहीं किया है. Right, so over such situations we have to understand few things being an adolescent. That point number one, my parents have also gone through these things, and they do understand that these challenges come.
Yes.
आपके जो एकदम से इमोशनल आउटबर्स्ट हो जाता है, कभी आपके में बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट आ जाती है कुछ करने की, कभी आपको एकदम से डाउन फील होता है कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहता, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. व्हेन यू फील इन्फैचुएशन, व्हेन यू फील सम फॉर्म ऑफ लाइकिंग टुवर्ड्स द अदर सेक्स, नाउ दीज आर सम थिंग्स व्हिच इज वेरी कॉमन इन एडोलेसेंस.
Yes.
एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली हमारे पेरेंट्स को भी ये बात पता है, because they have gone through this stage. So one, you should have a very open connection with your parents.
Hmm.
प्लीज हैव अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन विद देम. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरी कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग्स हैं जिनको लेकर मैं अनश्योर हूँ, या ऐसी कुछ बातें हैं जो मुझे थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल पा रही है, गो टू योर पेरेंट्स और सम अदर मेंटोर और अ टीचर whom you trust.
Yes.
Point number two, please don't go to your friends with serious problems. छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, डेफिनेटली गो टू योर फ्रेंड्स, दे कैन गाइड यू. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरी लाइफ का कोई बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन है, जैसे स्ट्रेस हो रहा है मुझे, या मुझे बहुत ज्यादा घबराहट हो जाती है, या फिर मुझे लगता है दैट आई एम हैविंग स्लीपलेस नाइट्स, या फिर आपको लगता है दैट आई एम फीलिंग फॉर सम गर्ल और आई एम फीलिंग फॉर सम बॉय, बट मुझे समझ नहीं आ पा रहा कि ये फीलिंग्स क्या है, ऐसे में आई ऑलवेज सजेस्ट यू टू टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स और टू सम अदर एल्डर अराउंड यू. बिकॉज आप एक चीज समझो कि आपकी तरह आपके फ्रेंड्स भी उस सेम एज ग्रुप में ही हैं.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
जो प्रॉब्लम्स आप फेस कर रहे हो, वही प्रॉब्लम्स आपके फ्रेंड्स भी फेस कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
तो वो अपनी लाइफ के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करके उन प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और वही एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन टिप्स वो आपको देंगे. सो
Yes.
रादर
Very
देन
important.
एक्सपेरिमेंट
Yes.
योरसेल्फ, it's better to talk to somebody who has gone through this
समझ
stage.
सकता.
Hmm.
Then they would be thinking that why should I experiment on myself, because if there would be any wrong thing, अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो मुझ पे आएगी, तो मैं उस पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देख लेता हूँ, वो उसको बता देते हो जैसे ही कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि
बिल्कुल.
हमारे पेरेंट्स उस चीज से जा चुके हैं, और अगर उन्होंने कोई गलत स्टेप लिया है तो वो सही जो लिया जो सही नहीं लिया वो बता सकते हैं,
Yes.
लेकिन वो अभी तक गए नहीं हैं.
Yes.
राइट.
बिल्कुल.
अगर आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं इतना ओपन नहीं हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, या मैं उनसे अपनी बात उतने अच्छे से शेयर नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मे बी यू हैव सम एल्डर ब्रदर और सिस्टर अराउंड यू, मे बी यू हैव अ काउंसलर इन योर स्कूल, दे कैन रियली हेल्प यू.
Yes.
राइट.
Yes, yes, yes. And Pragya, ma'am, you would not believe we have started free counseling sessions in which actually we have got a lot of calls from adolescents, from children that they have a lot of issues because issues actually make us strain. They actually stress out us. So make us very stressful. So, like what is the right time to go for counseling or for help for relationship issues, because it
Okay.
makes us frustrated,
Yeah.
irritated, and we are not able to do our work properly. So what is the right time?
Okay. So the foremost thing to understand is that counseling basically means guidance. हमारे इंडियन सोसाइटी में ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है, जब मुझे बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तब मुझे काउंसलिंग के लिए जाना चाहिए. आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स रियली रियली रॉन्ग. अगर आप वायरल फीवर के लिए एक डॉक्टर के पास जा सकते हो, अगर आप एक गला खराब होने के लिए डॉक्टर के पास जा सकते हो, सिमिलरली आपको जिस दिन लगता है कि मेरे रिलेशनशिप की वजह से मेरे माइंड में बहुत ज्यादा थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, या फिर मेरे रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज की वजह से मैं सो नहीं पा रहा, या फिर मैं एक टास्क पे फोकस नहीं कर पा रहा, आई मस्ट से that that's the right time that you should go to a counselor. because a counselor is not only a person who deals with disorders or severe issues. No, a counselor also deals with helping you to get out of a very normal things that you're going through.
Yes,
डेली
exactly.
रूटीन में आपको
Yes,
जब
yes.
भी लगे ना कि
Excuse
मेरी
me, ma'am.
की वजह
Wait,
से
wait,
मेरा डेली
one
रूटीन खराब
second.
हो रहा है, जब आपको लगे कि मेरी किसी प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मेरा जो एक नॉर्मल रूटीन है अब मैं वो फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, दैट इज द सेम डे यू शुड गो टू अ काउंसलर.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, these issues actually hamper our daily routine and make us stressful, and then more stressful, and then more stressful, and finally we come at a stage where we are not able to think properly, we are not able to make decisions, we are not able to even solve our normal problems, normal daily problems. See,
राइट.
तो कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाते, फोकस खत्म हो जाता है, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो सिर्फ रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज की वजह से बढ़ सकती हैं. तो इट्स
राइट.
बेटर टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स, टॉक टू योर रिलेटिव्स, टॉक टू योर फैमिली मेंबर्स, जिसको भी आपको लगता है कि आपको बात करना गुड है या वो आपको अच्छी सलाह दे पाएंगे. सो वी शुड डू दैट. देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली फ्रॉम सृष्टि. यस, वन सेकेंड सृष्टि. देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन. She asked, "What if they are mature than us and a good decision maker?" Are you talking about your friends, Srishti? If your friends are mature?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, would you like to answer, Pragya ji?
Okay. Srishti, how will you get to know that they are more mature than you and they are taking the right decision in life?
That's what I think.
But is it necessary that my thoughts and my perception is right?
I don't.
जब मैं खुद प्रॉब्लम में हूँ तो मुझे सामने वाला हर इंसान ठीक लगता है.
Hmm.
ये हमारा बेसिक नेचर है. अगर मैं किसी चीज को लेकर कंफ्यूज हूँ तो सामने से जो भी मुझे आके कोई सोल्यूशन देगा ना, मुझे लगेगा हाँ ये ठीक है. वो आके बोलेंगे ए करो, मैं ए करूंगी. वो कहेंगे बी करो, मैं बी करूंगी. बिकॉज मैं उस टाइम इतनी परेशान हो चुकी हूँ अपनी जिंदगी से कि मुझे लगता है कुछ भी हो बस मुझे इस चीज से बाहर निकाल दो. तो सामने वाला आके आपको सोल्यूशन देगा, आप वो चीज ट्राई करोगे. इफ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू, वेल एंड गुड. बट if it doesn't work for you, then who will be there to handle you?
You need to
And
find.
then who will be there to tell you कि plan A गलत था तो plan
Yeah,
B.
I have got my.
Yes, yes. And that about the
Excuse me,
next.
ma'am.
Yes, Rohan.
Ma'am, I want to tell that, ma'am, there's some child, ma'am, he is writing bad things in the chat.
They are not
I
writing
don't know
bad
what that
things.
Rohan is inside. I don't know.
They
No,
are
no,
not
no.
writing bad things. They are actually praising you, appreciating you, that you have got good insight, that you are so intelligent, that you are asking such a good
They
questions.
are saying that as per your age, Bachu, you are asking really meaningful questions. So they are praising and appreciating you.
Okay. So thank you,
Or
Divji. Definitely, she is.
I would like it that if you can, share the contact number and the link of the Instagram page with people so that if anybody wants to get to me later, they can contact me over there.
Yes, I don't have.
Ma'am,
Pragya ji.
ma'am, there is a participant, ma'am, Tanya Jain.
Mhm.
Ma'am, I got the link about that, the information about this meeting by that only, by her status. She has put it the page,
Fine,
so I
fine.
got that.
Okay, Rohan. Okay.
Pragya ji, I have a question.
Yes.
A last
Yeah,
question,
the
maybe.
last one, please.
How to deal with negative commenting nature of somebody, especially if a partner has such speech, negative or commenting every time, even if a small thing is discussed with the partner,
Hmm.
or normally if you're talking to your partner
Hmm.
and he is or she is reacting in negative manner and then responding in such a manner, showing disinterest and then commenting. So how to deal with such
Yeah,
people?
sadly to say, ma'am, this is a very high proportionate case of the Indian societies. I've seen a lot of females coming to me with this problem that, my partner doesn't understand me. And whenever I want to discuss something with them, I never get a fruitful answer. So over here, the simplest thing which I tell them is that, when you should know what to talk to them and what not to talk to them. So
Okay.
if you feel that I am really confused about something and I want a suggestion from them, knowing their nature that 99% they will come out with a negative solution, it's better you talk about that to somebody else.
Okay.
बिल्कुल खत्म करने को नहीं कह रही हूँ, लेकिन जब आप खुद कंफ्यूज हैं कि मुझे,
Yeah.
आप ऐसे इंसान से बात करिए जो आपको एक फ्रूटफुल सजेशन देगा. And there can be situations wherein you are very confident that what you want to do, right?
Yeah.
Those things you can discuss with them so that you can keep your point of view in a very confident way in front of them, so that their negative words don't hamper your decision making.
Okay. Thank you. Otherwise, ma'am, if a person has such nature every time, not even not at the time when we are in discussion, but having that perception every time negativity. So what to do? Should we stop talking to such person? What to do? Because being a partner, this is just not possible.
I understand. Then I
Yeah.
would like to tell you one simple way which I do with one of my family members. अगर आपको words थोड़े से मतलब blunt लगे तो avoid करना, but I'm telling you my personal way. जब आपके घर में किसी को बुखार होता है और वो गुस्सा कर रहे होते हैं या irritate कर रहे होते हैं, तो आप खुद को क्या बोलते हो?
Normally, we actually ask them to be नहीं ऐसे बोलो in a simple manner. Yeah.
उनकी तबीयत बहुत खराब है, उन्हें 103 बुखार है और आपको
अच्छा
पता
अच्छा.
नहीं
Okay,
समझ.
okay. He's not keeping well. If a person is not well,
He's not keeping,
yeah,
right?
he's not keeping well. Yeah.
When I have that family person in front of me and he is coming to me with all time those negative thoughts, मैं खुद को मन में बोलती हूँ कोई बात नहीं यार, बेचारा बीमार है, कोई बात नहीं.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is
Thank
the
you
way
so much. Thank you
my
so
mind
much.
is at peace.
Yeah.
Exactly. Actually, yes.
And there is one more question. I have put that in chat box.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. One more question from Srishti. What to do if you are stuck at the same toxic person for a long time?
Okay, see, toxic in itself a very negative word, my dear. Okay, so if you feel that the person and the relationship are becoming toxic, so I feel that this is the right time for you to consult a relationship counselor, because you might be in a wrong relationship or you might be having an incorrect view towards the relationship. सो द मोमेंट यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू अ काउंसलर, आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या आपकी पर्सन की चॉइस ही गलत है, वो रिलेशनशिप को टॉक्सिक बना रही है, या फिर आपका उस इंसान को देखने का नजरिया गलत हो रहा है.
Yes.
So toxic comes from our perception towards people. So you need to talk it out and discuss few things before you gain an actual insight. If you talk to me about that, you can contact me personally.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will.
Yes. I have shared
Definitely.
the number in the chat box, and if you are still not able to, I'll share the Insta link. Srishti, you can personally ask me for her Insta link. Okay. So I'll share.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I
Yes.
also shared her number also.
So that's for all for today from my side. A very, very grateful from my grateful heart. I thank all of you for being there with me today. I would love to connect again with you
Yeah.
people.
Thank you so much, Pragya ji. Actually, we have a lot of questions related to relationships. These are never ending questions, but it was really a very thought provoking session because we got to know a lot of things that how can we maintain our relationships and how can we manage our relationships. And in these times, these issues have been increased a lot, have been really increased a lot. So, thank you so much
Thank you.
for your
Thank you,
time.
everybody.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Take
Thank you,
care.
ma'am.
Ma'am, you having any page on
Ma'am.
Facebook? Because Insta, I'm not having account. So how to follow your page? How will
Definitely.
we get the updates for following for upcoming videos if you have it?
Definitely. If you're not there on Instagram, on Facebook, I am by the same name, The Blissful Soul. The
Okay,
Blissful
Right?
Soul is the Instagram ID and Facebook ID also.
okay.
Okay, I'll
Thank you,
The
ma'am.
just
Blissful
write
Soul by Pragya Vij. You type my name and you'll get to the page.
Sure, sure.
this
Thank
is
you.
the page I have mentioned here in the chat box. We are from Silent
Ma'am.
Grove, and ma'am has her own center by the name of Blissful Soul. So you can join that page and also don't forget to join our page.
Silent
Thank you, ma'am.
Soul is also the name on Facebook, ma'am. Silent Door is also the name on Facebook?
No, it's actually by a different name. We have mentioned here in the chat box. You can just see here. It's by different name. It's from Counseling Official. Megaminds Counseling Official.
Acha, that's your page.
Yes.
That's oh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, 1 second, Rohan. We have one more thing here. How this is possible to control? There is more impact of psychological state. Can you guide? Yes, we can. Yes, we'll definitely guide you because she has more session. So thank you so much for asking this question. I'll personally answer your this question.
Ma'am,
Fine, Divya ji?
ma'am, can I also ask one more question?
Yes, Rohan, please. Actually,
I want to
Pragya ma'am
ask that
has left. She has her